The prosecution thought the case was airtight. An officer's sworn testimony, a detailed incident report, a confident narrative presented in open court. But everything changed when the defense attorney said 2 words. Play the video. Inside the courtroom of David Fleischer, the atmosphere shifted instantly. The officer had just testified that the defendant was aggressive, non-compliant, and actively resisting. The defense attorney stood calmly. "Your Honor, we'd like to introduce body camera footage from the exact moment described." The screen flickered on. The courtroom went silent. The footage showed something very different. The defendant standing still, hands visible, no sudden movements, no visible aggression. The tone of the interaction was tense, but controlled. The defense paused the video at a critical moment. "Officer, you testified that my client lunged at you at this point. Can you show the court where that happens?" The officer hesitated. The video continued. No lunge. No physical resistance. Just verbal confusion. The prosecutor attempted to clarify, suggesting perspective, camera angle, incomplete context. But the defense attorney methodically walked frame by frame through the footage, aligning timestamps with the officer's written report. Inconsistencies began to stack up. The report claimed the defendant refused commands multiple times. The audio captured only one unclear instruction. The report stated immediate threat. The video showed distance and space. Judge Fleischer leaned forward, watching carefully. He asked direct questions. "Officer, is this the same event you described in your testimony?" The answer was yes. The courtroom energy changed completely. The defense attorney made a powerful point. Testimony under oath must align with objective evidence. When video contradicts narrative, the credibility of the narrative must be questioned. The prosecution argued that stress, perception, and split-second decision-making can affect memory. But the judge focused on clarity. If the foundational account was unreliable, the charges built upon it could not stand confidently. After reviewing the footage in full, Judge Fleischer delivered the ruling. Due to significant discrepancies between testimony and video evidence, the court could not rely solely on the officer's statements to proceed as charged. Motion granted. Charges dismissed. The room was stunned, not by emotion, but by precision. Video doesn't exaggerate. It doesn't speculate. It records. As the defendant walked out, the message was undeniable. In the courtroom, truth must match evidence. And today, the evidence spoke louder than testimony.